And oh, by the way, please click the subscribe button down below. I look mad and crazy, but support your girl and click that subscribe button. Like, comment. And but yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, so this is a quick video. I already started. Clearly I'm in the blow drying process. You seen a video where I made my deep condition, and you're probably going to see the video already of where how I applied my deep condition. I never showed how I wash my hair, rinse out my hair, because I really don't have a hose and I'm not going in the tub with no camera. So yeah, anyway, this is how this is an easy way to blow dry your hair. I have, I don't know, 4B 4C here, and I find it easy because I'm gonna blow my hair fairly straight. I'm not doing a silk press. I'm getting braids on the weekend, but I want my blow dry to last me until then, so I don't have to reapply heat. So I'm gonna blow it dry pretty straight, putting 2 corners in until then. But I'm just going to show you, this is how I easily do it. So one thing, I get my trusted blow dryer, Hot and Beauty Pro. I don't remember where I bought this from. I think I bought it at a beauty supply store in Buffalo, New York. What I use is my trusted comb. I do not really use, I do have like, what do you call it, a paddle brush or whatever kind of brush. I do a demi brush, but I don't use it. I use this. This is good enough. Also, what I do in my hair to detangle my hair, not much. Once I rinse my hair out, what I apply is my Chi Silk Infusion. So this is what I apply. A dime size, a pea size, not even dime size, a pea size, or even the dime size. I spray with my Silk Elements Mega Silk Olive Heat Protection Spray. So get your heat protection in, get it in. I do apply that because I tend to get heat damage, so I try to get that. And then I use a very little bit of my Cantu because of leave-in conditioner, of course. So that means, you know what leave-in conditioner means. You can leave it at Cantu. I literally use like a pea size as well. I section my hair in 4. So 1, 2. This is one big one, but I'm gonna split that in 4. I put my blow dryer on the highest setting, which is, I have low and high, and I just put on, stretch my hair. I brush my hair. You may not see, but then I stretch it because I already brushed this hair, and I start from the root and work my way down to the ends of the hair. And I try to go from different angles just to stretch the hair. Because you have to remember, what kind of makes the hair a little tangle is the curls. So once they start to dry and the curls, so I stretch it. As you can see, it's starting to stretch. Voila. See? So if you can see that. See the little kink here, but not too much. But I can just go back in, stretch that piece, and do the same thing. Not enough to burn the hair. I keep moving it up and down. Do not burn your hair, guys. And there you go. So that's one section. So what I'm gonna do, see, easy comb through. I'm gonna go back with my comb. I'm not finished, I told you. So for now, this is just to kind of let it's like detangle it in a sense, so it's not too much. So I twist that baby and leave our yassa. Come back to this piece. So this is one whole one. So here we are. So again, this is a section. This is what it looks like. I go in. What is that? It runs. So pea size, dime size, whichever. And I go in all over my hair from the roots to the tip. Okay. And go with my spray. My hand shot, so go in with that. Gonna use my finger and comb that through. use my finger and do a lot of combing. That's too much. Ugh, that's way too much. Literally, how much is on my finger? Because if you put too much, remember Cantu will leave that like kind of white residue. And voila. Then I go in. See, it's a little tangled in the roots. And I like to comb from the ends, but I'm kind of in a rush because I'm tired. I've been doing this all day. I'm lying, I'm exaggerating. But still, I'm tired. So anyway, I went in and I pull. And I go on my blow dryer. High setting again. As you can see. This works great for your kids. Less crying. If you're tender-headed, this works great too. Believe me, I'm the president of the Nasty Hair Club. Ignore the hair under my armpits. That's going just now. I go all different angles, not just one side. You don't want to keep the, because remember it's on high and it's heat, so you don't want to get your hair burnt. So my hand's hurting me. So because my hair is a bit of different length, I'm gonna break that into two. And my hand hurt me. So I'm gonna stretch that. So that's stretched. So the middle is stretched. Okay, and voila, that's section 2. So quick, I blow dry my hair. Keep that baby in place. So this is how it is. This is how my hair was. 2 sections. I barely use a comb. Use my finger. Separate my hair. Put this over here like so. You can see curly, wet. So comb through with my finger. Because again, all these combs, yeah, it helps detangle, but it kind of hurts. Your fingers help. So my finger helped to detangle a little bit. Comb through ends and work your way out. So my hair is like different levels, so I'm probably gonna have to separate it like what I did last time, because as you can see, this piece and then this piece, and you have to stretch it. For you to get that stretch method, you have to stretch as far as the hair can go, and they don't go the same. So I'm gonna separate it. Little grains in my hair, but honestly, it's not dirt. It's from From the aloe and the avocado from my deep condition mask. Okay, now I'm going in 4 parts again. So you see it kind of snagged a little bit because it helps. It doesn't detach, it doesn't completely straighten your hair. It just helps with it. High settings, and I go in. And I focus mainly on the roots because it's detangled. I'm just making sure my roots are dry because I'm putting braids in. I'm not doing a soap press or anything. It's not enough when I need a comb. I just use this. To get rid of the hairs off because I'm not trying to be sick on my vacation. Ain't nobody going through that. So, and yeah. Pull my hair out. See, easy comb through. This is how I blow dry my hair now, and it's easier. I used to section small parts and blow dry and separate and cook. Ain't we got time for that? So just do everything in 4 sections. And when I wash my hair to make things easy, I do it in 2 parts. I split my hair down the middle and I wash it in 2 parts. If you want to see how I do that, you can comment down below. But me personally, I don't care to do that. So, and that's it. And then I get my hair braided on Saturday. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? But yeah, so that's the end of my quick, easy blow dry.